Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you the simplest way to execute some code in onResume, onStop, onPause in Jetpack Compose code in Jetpack Compose project. So you can just copy paste this solution from me and it will work perfectly. So I will now simply explain to you what this function does. So you need to make composable function. You can name it whatever you want. I named it remember lifecycle event. It gets as a parameter lifecycle owner, which is by default local lifecycle owner current, and it returns as lifecycle event. Inside this function we declare state variable, which will be remembered by multiple recompositions. It is mutable state of lifecycle event on any, that's just default. Inside disposable effect we use our default lifecycle owner. We declare observer of lifecycle event observer, which will when it gets new event it will set it to our state variable. We need to add this observer to our lifecycle, and on dispose, when this is not used anymore, just remove this observer so to prevent memory leaks. And after all, return state. Remember lifecycle event. So you need to use this function inside your main composable function. In my case, this is my main composable function that I use in this fragment. And what you need to do is just declare some variable, call it like this. We have some lifecycle event, open launched effect, add that lifecycle event here, and inside this function you will get events. What is now? Is it on resume, on stop, on pause? I made here just simple print line method to see how this actually works. And the main reason I needed this type of function is that in my fragment, in onResume method, I needed to check something and change switch value. And I couldn't do that by default like this, because if I make onResume or onPause method, it's not really important which one. Okay, we can set onStop. If I want to do something on onStop, I need to change state variable of some state inside composable function, and I can't do that here because I do not have, I can see states because this is not composable. And that is why I made this, because now on my resume I can just do whatever I wanted to do inside a regular onResume of fragment or activity. And basically that's it for this quick video. I will leave you this code in description below so you can copy paste it. You can see full code now. Yes, okay. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about Android and iOS development, and see you in the next video.